Then we're going to turn all that shit into a mosh pit. The whole, all these pussies on the front, over here, just on the side here, fringe-dwelling pussies, we call them. Let's turn that whole thing into a fucking mosh pit, huh? Why not? We're going to fucking warm this shit up and self-fly, so let's do it, alright? I want to see all your fingers in the air like this. Every motherfucker, let's do it. And all the way, all you people on the top there sitting down here, we can kind of see fingers in the air. Don't fucking ruin it for everyone else. Yeah, you can't start participating up there. I can't see any fingers in the air up there. This song's called Fuck You, and the horse you rode in